Getting approved for initial credit. Business credit is credit obtained in a business's name. With business credit, a business builds its own credit profile and credit score. With an established credit profile and score, the business will then qualify for credit. This credit is based on the business's ability to pay, not the business owner's. Since the business qualifies for the credit, in some cases there is no personal credit check required from the business owner. Building business credit should be done in a prescribed order. Get out of order and you're adding unnecessary delays. These steps are proven to work. A business owner can actively work to build business credit while also allowing time and business to accumulate. Before getting started buying goods and services, there are some preliminaries a business owner should do. These will help immediately and also down the line. Some require an initial investment, while others do not. Lenders and vendors get nervous when they see a new business. Give them a reassurance by baking legitimacy right into your company. Company legitimacy will also reassure clients and prospects, and it should make you, the owner, get serious if you aren't already. Business legitimacy means you've got a business on your hands, and not just a hobby. Let's start with your business name. The full business name should include any recorded DBA filing you will be using. Ensure your business name is exactly the same. This is on corporation papers, licenses, and bank statements. File your business and get your EIN. Now let's look at your phone numbers. Get a toll-free number and a fax number and get your phone number listed with 411. Use List Yourself. These items are essential to get approval for initial business credit because they spell legitimacy. What about your business address? It must be a real brick-and-mortar building. It has to have a deliverable physical address, and it cannot be a home address, a P.O. box, or a UPS address. Some lenders will not approve and fund unless this criteria is met. Virtual offices are okay. Try Alliance. Now let's tackle your online presence. You need a professional email address like name@yourcompany.com. You should have a good-looking professional website, so don't use Wix or Weebly. Instead, buy your domain from a hosting company like GoDaddy. You can get web design on Upwork. Need a logo? Use Fiverr. Let's recap. Business credit building takes some preparation. The preliminary work is well worth your time. Business legitimacy helps with business credit building and with assuring your prospects. Set up your starting credit reports and monitor them. And start the credit building process with true starter vendors. Contact us today to learn more about getting approved for initial credit.